In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your spam mail in Gmail. It's a simple and straightforward process, but it's an important skill to have, especially if you're concerned about missing important emails that may occasionally end up in your spam folder. Let's walk through the steps together. Imagine you're logged into your Gmail account. As you look at the main dashboard, you should see a left sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation menu, providing access to various sections of Gmail. It's where you manage your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and more. Now, as you explore this sidebar, you'll notice a few labeled sections. While some of these, like inbox or sent, might be immediately visible, others are tucked away to keep the interface neat and uncluttered. To access those hidden options, look for the section labeled with the word More. It usually comes with an arrow pointing downwards. This intuitive arrow suggests that, if clicked, it will expand to reveal additional options. Go ahead and click on that More button. It's like opening a drawer filled with more tools and features, some of which you might not use every day, but are there when you need them. As you expand this section, you'll find several options that were previously hidden. Among them, you should notice the Spam label. This is where Gmail automatically filters out emails that it deems suspicious or unsolicited. Click on the Spam label, and it will take you to a dedicated folder. Here, you'll see all the emails that are flagged as spam. This section is like your spam headquarters, a collection of messages that Gmail thinks you might not want to see or that could potentially be harmful. Interestingly, this area is worth checking periodically. Sometimes emails from legitimate sources mistakenly end up in this folder due to overly aggressive filters. It's a good habit to occasionally glance through these messages to ensure nothing important is being overlooked. Remember, if you do find an email that shouldn't be in the spam folder, you can select it and choose the Not Spam option. This action tells Gmail that the email is safe, and similar future emails should be sent to your inbox instead. And there you have it. That's the process. You've now learned how to check your spam mail in Gmail, ensuring you don't miss anything important that's been misclassified. With this quick and easy skill under your belt, you're now better equipped to manage your digital correspondence efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on navigating Gmail.